Okay, good evening to all. Can I continue? Because I'm waiting for another student, but only the three students are available. Okay, anyway, I will share this video link also, no problem. Okay, thank you for your participation. Okay, I got some information. Okay, chat box. I got the one message. Okay, yes. Okay, thank you. Okay, right here. Already this one is completed. Step 4, the plan of the remedial actions. Okay, this one also completed. And the unit IG1, the element 4, we find 4, reporting and recording the incidents. This one now, the topic. Here in this, the internal incident reporting, because the any organization, the internally, how they will report the any accident information. That's why these are known as the reason for reporting incidents. The most of the people, the somehow the why the reasons, okay, the reporting the incidents to trigger the provision of first aid. For example, maybe the one guy is working at the working area, maybe working location. Unfortunately, maybe his finger is cut. Then he is informed to the higher authorities. Means maybe he take the rest also, or also he is maybe first aid treatment he got it, or maybe this is the injury is the very the maybe the medium size or maybe the high level one means then the maybe hospitalized. Therefore, this is to trigger the provision of first aid, preserve accident scene also, because this is something is happened that location. Therefore, the preserve the particular scene, because why this happened, because maybe the cruise team is coming or maybe auditing team is the visit the particular site location. What is happened that for preserve the accident scene, and also the enable the investigations to be carried out to the prevent recurrence. Maybe the future this type of the things never happened. That type of that purpose, and also maybe the investigation team they visit the particular site location, and also they get some information, and also the what problem is due to which problem is this the accident is happened, maybe the workers problem, or maybe the behaviors of the worker or the mission problem they are identified, and also the legal requirement to report some incidents, the legal action purpose also. These are the reporting are important, and also for civil claim purpose also these recordings are the very important, the civil the claims purpose, because maybe sometimes maybe the applied for the insurance purpose. Therefore the insurance the purpose means compulsory need the this type of the investigation reports, maybe the insurance purpose compulsory need. Therefore, and also maybe compensation purpose, maybe sick leave purpose, these are the need this investigation report. Okay, therefore that's why the all the people are the report the incidents. The group syndicate exercise, what sort of the things are likely to the hinder good accident and near miss reporting? What can an organization do to make it more likely that incidents will be the reported? Okay, these are the some the why the incidents are reported. Maybe the next slide we will see this all, and also the next one here, the barriers to reporting. These are the barriers, maybe the obstacles to report the accidents or incidents. What if the barriers here? First one is the unclear organizational policy, because maybe here different departments are there. Which location we give the complaint are informed to this about these accidents and incidents. The maybe in organizations also the 50% people also they don't know where they give the report the this type of the incidents and the accidents they don't know. Therefore, unclear organizational policy, no reporting system in place. That's why some location, some location grievance cells are there, or also some location health and department is there. That location you give the complaint, no problem. But some locations, no reporting system in place. That organization is okay, very big organization, but not the such type of the policies are there. That organization, no reporting system is there, and also the culture of not reporting, the peer pressure. Maybe the nearly the 10 people are there. So maybe one guy maybe the injured. Then the peer pressure, maybe some of the group people, no, don't, in case of the complaint is given means, maybe your job is lost, or maybe some this type of the peer pressure also, and also don't, they give the complaint. This type of the peer pressure due to the some of the people never report the incidents, means the culture of non-reporting, not reporting. And also overlay complicated reporting procedures, and also some locations maybe the procedure is very big procedure. First, this guy is approach the foreman and supervisor. After that, supervisor is informed to the manager, I mean assistant manager. After assistant manager, supervisor to maybe some HR department to maybe some, this like this process is the very complicated process. And also some locations some excessive paperwork. Maybe the nearly, if one complaint means nearly the 10 pages filling means very difficult. Or maybe the one paper also, maybe the 20 columns are there, this like here. Everything is filled, it means very difficult task. But some people are don't know also some writing skills also, those people. That's why some people are never, they give the report also. It's for excessive paperwork. Okay, and also takes too much time also. For example, if one complaint means nearly the, maybe it takes half day is the completed, because waiting is all. Therefore, that takes too much time. And also, if you are complaining means, then they may be the boss, maybe some people blame culture. This one, okay, you only do it. Maybe you are the wrong. This like the blame culture also. Maybe that's why some of the people never gave the complaint. Apathy. Maybe in case of that location, the management is not completely properly responded. Means the poor management response. If you give the complaint, but never see, and also maybe the blame. Therefore, the apathy also that location. That's why this is one of the barrier of reporting. And also concern over impact on organization, individual also. If you they give the complaint means some of the individual, maybe this guy, maybe if it faces some problems. Therefore, this the complaint gives some impact on also his duty, job, and also maybe this everything the problem. These are the barriers. And also reluctance to receive first aid also. Maybe this, if you start the complaint means, we take the first aid means, this is a process, systematic process. Maybe one by one, it takes maybe the half an hour, 40 minutes, 1 hour is completed. Therefore, the first aid is need. Therefore, first you do the first aid, after only they do the complaint. Therefore, the reluctance to receive first aid also. These are the barriers to reporting. And accident record contents. What? Maybe the accident report. What are the contents are there? Here, maybe this is the accident report. What are the contents? Mostly name and address of the casualty. Maybe that the worker, the casualty who injured that guy, the injured one, and the date and type of the accident. Maybe yesterday, maybe 3, maybe 7, 2020, something has happened. Location of accident. Maybe the construction area. Maybe the floor 10th. Details of injury. Maybe the cut the finger. Details of treatment given. First aid is given, and also hospitalized something, and also some hospital name all. Description of event, the causing injury, maybe the saw, maybe some hammer, something. Details of any equipment or substances involved, maybe any substances, maybe any chemicals, okay, any equipment, maybe in case of the saw cutter, something like. Witnesses names and contact details also. Maybe who see this the accident, the incident, those names also, some name and their details. Maybe there's a qualification means designation, and the contact details, which location is the maybe working, everything, details of person completing the record, this everything, and also the final signature of the casualty. Okay, these are the accident record, the contents. These are maintained in that the accident record pointer. And also next one is the internal and external incident reporting. These are the depends on the maybe severity only here, because the severity, it means seriousness. The severity means likelihood nothing but chances. Okay, the severity, seriousness, or how much injury. Therefore, here the internal point of view, here the internal maybe the the depend upon the severity, maybe directors, the internally, maybe the senior managers, human resource manager, health and safety, the advisors or environmental advisors, worker representatives. These are the compulsory the incident reporting point of view. These people are the mainly involved. Okay, maybe inform this guys, maybe worker reference. For example, worker is injured. This worker is informed to the worker representative. Sometimes the worker representative informed to the health and safety advisor. Health and safety advisor may be human resource manager, human resource HR manager to the senior manager, finally director and maybe owner of the company. This like is a process. The actional means the family of the actional people means outside people. If have any person is injured, maybe the family of the casualty, maybe the family of the worker is informed to the that location, and also the external authorities also, external authorities also, and also insurance companies also, and public relations advisors. Okay, just only the 1 second, just I will play the one video. Okay, I will share my screen. Okay, yeah. Okay, here these are the main ones: directors, senior managers, and also some the owner of the company also. The actional means maybe family members. They give them maybe the report, and also the actional authorities also, maybe the government organizations, the actional authorities also, and also the insurance companies also, maybe the give the reporting this one, and also the public relation advisors also. These are the internal external incident the reporting. Okay, because these are the externally also they give the reporting, and some people also they give the internal people. These are the internal people, they give the some this the reporting, maybe the director too, maybe the one of this, like here the one, the process by process here, because the this reporting is very very important, because maybe sometimes the the casualty they get the lot of benefits, maybe sick leave, means a direct and indirect cost point of view, insurance, this everything is they get it. And also sometimes also maybe the any uh, the equipment will be damaged. That's why these the company also they get the some the insurance. Therefore, that was also useful this type of the reporting. The actionally reportable events. Okay, what are the reportable events are? Maybe some incidents need to be reported to regular by law. Example, the fatality. This is very the dangerous one, means this is the deaths, and also the major injuries, and also in case of any dangers that occurred particular locations, and also some of the very dangerous diseases, and also some the last time injuries, maybe the sometimes repeatedly the some injuries happen. These are compulsory reporting. These are the reportable ones compulsory. Okay, because fatality means very dangerous the offense, and also the government also that takes the serious about this issue. Therefore, the fatality, major injury, dangerous occurrences, diseases, last time injury, these are compulsory the reported by the regular law point of view. And also data collection and analysis. How the way analysis of data? For example, in case of the what is the trend in accident incident rate over the past 5 years, these are important. Maybe within 5 years, how many accidents are happened, and also the trends also when the maybe what the risk is there. Okay, why hazard the happen. This everything is examined because this 5 years past report is very important. This data collection. What are the most common types of accidents, and also maybe in case of our IG2, in this IG2 we just only we discuss this all the things. What are the most common types of accidents? What are the most common types of injuries also? Common types of injuries, and also between what times the day do most accidents occur. For example, in case of drivers, for example, some driveways, some cars or vehicles. If you check, use one. which the timing is more accident happen means the mostly at after maybe 1 o'clock to the early morning 5 o'clock. This is the 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. the more accidents are happen. Why? Because this is the very the maybe this the very dangerous situation. Nothing but because most of the people already they automatically sleepy mode. That's why these are the very danger the timing for the driver's point of the between what times of the day do most accidents occur. And also in case of the working area location also maybe at 12 o'clock, maybe after 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock, this in between the more accidents that happen because the maybe the workers are full tired. That's why which part of the body is most frequently injured, maybe the legs or maybe in case of the maybe foot or maybe the hands. Most of the these are the most frequently injured parts. Which department has the highest accident rate? Which department? Maybe construction department or something department. What is the accident rate trend for a particular part of the organization? In case of the accident rates in the particular organization, maybe the construction site or maybe in case of many transportation department. This one important departments are there. Organizations are where do most accidents occurs in the workplace, which location most of the accidents happen. These are the analyzing. That's why the data collection is very important. After these data collection, we get the some analysis automatically. That's why in case of some the organizations, they get the some information automatically. For example, work at height location, more accidents happen. For example, therefore use some technology, maybe the boom lifters or maybe the scaffolding like here. Then they automatically remove the accidents. Maybe means reduce the accidents. Okay. Data collection analysis. Lessons learned. Maybe action takes taken as a result of incident. Published internally as a lessons learned. Shows company commitment to improving. Allows improvement to be made. Maintained confidentially. Yes, some of the maybe accidents or maybe some of the patents have happened, and also some the accidents injuries happen. These also sometimes maintain the confidentially also, and also these are useful for the improve the system. That purpose also useful. Maybe the fatality occur. Okay, which location? Why this fatality occur? Maybe the mission problem. Therefore, maybe the replace this mission and buy the new one. Therefore, this purpose is used. This is publishing means we get a lot of information automatically. Therefore, these are the very actions we are taken for the due to these incidents happen. Okay, by these ones, these accidents or incidents, we get some the lesson we are learned from these the incidents. The end of the section is why might an employee not report an incident? What are the typical contents of an internal incident report form? Why is the incident data collected? Already discussed this one. And also review of health and safety, the performance. The review, the full management system review, because the need the full management system review means management also the part of this review meeting, and also the maybe the board members are there here in this meeting. The board members means maybe CEO or MD of the company, CEO or MD of the company, and also few directors, and also maybe the manager level people, health and safety officers, and also some workers, some the worker representatives only. These people only maybe they have the conduct the one full meeting. This is the full management system review meeting. Okay, maybe how many people are injured. Okay, what type of the technology may be followed in the future. Okay, this way all they are examined here. Okay, this is the full management system review meeting. Okay, the next one is the management team review. The management team review means the maybe the review is maybe every quarter, or maybe the 1 year, yearly based, or maybe the monthly based, maybe weekly based. Due to this corona, the some of the hospitals, some of the maybe organizations, the every week also they are conducting this type of the meetings. Okay, review meetings. And also fees to full the review also. This maybe in every quarter full review they taken. And also the departmental reviews also. Maybe the full management meeting, maybe every quarter, for example, or maybe every yearly, for example. But departmental reviews, each department. For example, this is the full management. This one is maybe the each the department. Maybe the construction department, maybe the trading department. This like here each department monthly or by line manager to ensure on track automatically. These people are the maintain this type of the review meeting. Okay, these are the levels of the review. Reasons for having the regular reviews. Why regular reviews are conducting? Because are we on target? Because we are reached the target or not? Means we are reached the the perfect manner we are working or not. Okay, maybe the last year maybe the 10 maybe the accidents happen. Now is the decreasing or not? Maybe it is decreased maybe 8. Okay, now okay good. Therefore we are reaching the target or not? If not, why? What the reasons? Okay, maybe the most of the people PPE not wearing. Okay, then who just found? Then maybe the terminates the company. These guys are removed from the job. Therefore, this very serious actions are taken. If not, why not? Also, the consider what do we have to change to continually improve. This is important. Continuously improvement is very important. The improve or not. Maybe for example, reach the 10% safety after 20% safety. This like here, the improvement is need and also essential part of management system. Also, the involved or not also the maybe the essential part of the management system. The involved or not also we are considered here, and also required of ISO certification purpose also. ISO means International Standards Organization. This is the certification. This certification means some of the organizations they maintain the proper records, maybe less fatalities, proper records, the proper salaries, the proper the welfare. They are provide everything. Therefore, they are the maintain the proper standards. Therefore, this is they gives the ISO certification. This is certification is 9001, 2000 certificate. Okay, like here, this type of different certifications are there. Okay, then this is ISO certified organization means automatically they maintain the proper standards. Okay, that's why you are know it automatic. Okay, this is very good organization. Okay, that's why the ISO certification is provided. Whole group exercise. What measurements of health and safety performance should be the included in the annual review? The annual review, what type of the maybe the precautions are followed, what we are doing the management, everything is considered here in this the annual review meeting. These are the indicators mostly. The performance indicators of review here. The first, the compliance with the legal and organizational requirements, new developments, they are considered here. These are the indicators. Okay, any new developments are there? Maybe before everybody used at home, for example, everybody used fans. Now, after that, maybe the coolers are came. After that, ACs are came. Now, maybe the 5-star ACs are there, and also the inverter ACs. Because this is the development. The same organization also maybe before maybe some tools are using. Now some technology are using. Some equipments are using. Some machinery are using. It's like here. Accident and incident data also. These are the checking, the performance indicators. The indicator. The accident and incident data also the one of the performance indicator. Maybe the accidents are decreasing, means the company is good now. And also the corrective actions. If you have maybe one accident happened, why? Then they take the corrective actions. Then automatically next some people are working that location, never the injured. And also inspections compulsory. These indicators. The inspection reports, the surveys, the tools and samplings. These are the indicators. Then we get the proper inspection. Then automatically everybody is set right, and they do the properly. Absence and sickness data also, because how many people are every day is absent, and also how many people are injured, and also how many people are sickness also. Maybe the fever, something like it. This data also very important. Maybe these people are, for example, at sickness date is every day 10 people. After maybe monitoring properly means the 2 people. Means automatical performance indicate. This is one of the indicators. The performance good now. And also the quality assurance reports also. They are maintained proper quality or not. And also audit reports also. And also the monitoring data records also. These are the performance indicators. And also the external, the communications and complaints, any complaint from maybe outside people,
maybe the internal people is also considered, because maybe the company that create maybe more noise, maybe more disturbance to the others. Then they gave the complaints. Okay. Then how they will reduce the maybe sound something, the problems. These are also considered. These are the external communications and complaints also considered. These are the performance indicators. Consultation results. Okay, the consultation achievements of objectives. For example, each organization how the objectives we reach this objective or not. Okay, and also the any enforcement actions, maybe government. I saw one company maybe the working the at a summer the 12 o'clock to the 3 o'clock. Originally, this is the break time, but some one company, this company people are working in this time, and the labor officer, labor department came and visit the site. They found this company people. Then the 20,000 fine. Therefore, these are the enforcement actions. Okay, this is the first time. Maybe they repeat the same thing means then they are the actions also taken, and also action from the previous management reviews also. Maybe the before some management review meeting they found some faults. The next now the meeting, what the maybe that the faults are identified and maybe rectified or not they are checked. Therefore, this also the performance indicators. These are the performance indicators. If you maintain these all properly, then automatically company also very good. The maybe ever the system is good, and also the less maybe the accidents or incidents, and also get good profits also. Outputs from review. These are the automatically we get the success. Therefore, the management reports, minutes circulated, okay, minutes of meeting circulated, records properly maintained. If you have the actions also, the close out, maybe the every, for example, one location some problem is there and rectified, and also action is closed. Important. The annual reports to shareholders for some organizations compulsory. The shareholders what is the happened or why what type of the maybe the new rules are the imposed. This everything. The organization, some organization, they the annual reports also shareholders that distribute this one, and also the continuous improvement is important. Continual improvement, then automatically organization in the success position. The output from review the more the proper reviews, then got automatically very good results. Continuous improvement. For example, this every day. For example, maybe the maybe running the automatically next time automatically he's win the same time. For example, review the evaluates the performance against the standards. Review then automatically the performance what if of the standards are followed. Okay, then if you have the any problem is found, then automatically identify the problem. Therefore, the action taken as a result to improve, and also the board, the senior managers also here maybe set targets. Okay, they reach the targets or not, that is important thing, and also set the targets as a result of review. The amend the policy, because compulsory everybody they follow the particular policies. They maintain the proper the systematic the maybe the procedures they are followed, and also middle managers also review performance and also set targets for their area also. Each area they set the targets, and also the junior managers also review local performance and also set targets for their area. Each location they set the targets, and the every level, maybe the workers level. For example, finish this work, and maybe supervisor level. Okay, the supervisor instructed these people maybe 10 workers. You finish this one. Maybe this middle managers instructed this one, and also the board senior managers instructed this one. Just like here, this is continuous improvement is there, and also here the very important the continuous improvement is very important. Why should an organization carry out reviews of health and safety the performance? What should be considered in the management review of health and safety the performance? These are the okay. This one is your original the topics. Okay, I will just only the give the few the instructions here. Just only here. maybe I will share this the video link also. Don't worry, because some people are today, the two people are absent. Okay, here I will just only the explain something here. Just only check here. Okay, IG2 is the these four elements. IG1 is the four elements. This is the theory exam. Okay, 100 marks. Okay, these four elements, nearly the total five elements are there internally. That's why I split into the 4A, 4B like here. 4A, 4B. That's why the 4B completed. Therefore, IG1 originally your theory exam, the topics are completed. Only your preparation only pending. Okay. Therefore, your preparation only pending. This IG1 is you prepare means you are enough. This one only. This is only your theory exam. Okay. You prepare and write this exam. The sometimes only maybe the paper based exam or maybe only this interior control. Interior nothing but the temporary. Interior indicates temporary. Only the short span of time, maybe open book exam also. Open book exam. The system also maybe this short term is conducting this one, and also 20th June also some instructions also given, the 20th June. And if you check your maybe the NEBOSH site also, nebosh.org.uk, and maybe the shortly announce the dates of the examination and also the fees dates also. But we get the information from the study center. Okay, some organizations are maybe they are just only some people are pay the amount for the September month exams purpose. September, the exams purpose September. Maybe the July the last date, the point of exam fee last date. Some people only here September, but originally open book exam. These are the some exams are there. The diploma exams and also the September month, and also in this the awards also. This month is conducting this exam, but the most of the people asking about the this OBE exam purpose, open book exam, and the site is mentioned. Nebosh team is mentioned July, and maybe we get the shortly we get the full information about this one. Okay, whenever we get the information, I will inform you. Okay, don't worry here I will inform you everything about this one. Okay, here this the open book exam, or maybe the theory at maybe the exam center location also, maybe the properly not mentioned, but OBE is there. Don't worry. Okay, only this one time only this benefit is coming. Open book exam. The shortly 20th July we get the full information. Okay, anyway, right. Next one is the I will the explain. I will yeah, about what the process. I will tell you. Okay, I will tell you the final the process. Okay, what the process I will tell you here. Okay, first maybe we get the maybe dates. Whenever we get the dates means, for example, exam dates, then the first you do the enrollment means the exam enrollment. Okay, you pay the amount, the exam enrollment process. You pay the exam fee. Then this NEBOSH team give the your learners learner number. Okay, this learner number. And the second one, you the before you just this IG2, the practical document is the prepare it. This IG2 the practical this document, because you visit the one site area, because the need the which site you are visited. Okay, which people are met, that is the need, and also the site is where it is located, what is the working hours, everything is know it. That's why compulsory maybe you visit the 2 hours or 1 hour is enough. You visit the one site location, maybe you take one photograph also best. Okay, therefore IG to the purpose, you go and visit the one site, and also you prepare the documentation. This documentation you submit me, and I will correct it, and I will send back to you. After only you submit to the NEBOSH team. Okay, this NEBOSH team. Okay, don't worry about this pass. This is IG2 because you are automatically pass this one. Only the IG1 only you are prepare this examination. Okay, and maybe the IG1, for example, if have the September, for example, heavy exam, but the September means August, maybe the 3-4 days we have the classes, maybe 4 to 5 days some classes also I'm conducting about this theory. But in case of OBE means, and also I conduct the how they will maybe do the this OBE exam. I also conduct the maybe the before the examinations, maybe the 5 to 10 days before I conduct the maybe 4 to 5 days the classes also before. This is the original plan. Every time it's the same like I'm doing. Okay, and I conduct the one mock exam also, mock 1 or 2 exams also, the mock exams. Okay, this is the process, original process. Therefore, first your enrollment to the NEBOSH, and also we get the learner's number, and also you the finish before IG2. Okay, and the before examination, final examination, we have the 5 days classes also I'm conducting. Okay, 5 days classes I'm conducting. Okay, therefore don't worry. The before the exam, maybe OBE exam, maybe the maybe university exam also, don't worry, no problem. But I will conduct the before this one. Okay, we get the full information, full details, maybe this month, maybe in the next week we get the full information about the OBE. Okay, don't worry, but you are prepared. Don't think about these all OBE or something, but you are prepared the before only, that is the better thing. Okay, clear. And the next one, here, this is the IG2 that consists of the nearly the IG2, the seven, nearly the seven the elements are there. IG2, the 7 elements are there. Okay, means the total is 11 elements. Already 4 elements are completed. Okay, this IG1 is the 4 elements, and IG2 is the 7 elements. But 7 elements are very simple elements, don't take more time, but nearly the 200 slides only remaining. Okay, maybe it takes nearly the 5 to 6 hours enough to finish this entire one. 5 to 6 hours enough. Therefore, maybe the 5 to 6 means maybe in the Friday, next Friday I will finish this entire the course. Therefore, if you need fastly means, I also conduct the in between also, maybe the another 2 hours also I conduct the in between, maybe the Tuesday or maybe the Wednesday or maybe Saturday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, maybe these timings I will conduct the maybe another 2 sessions, 2 classes, 2 hours. And also the maybe 9 o'clock to the Friday, 9 o'clock to the 1 o'clock is same, the timing is there. Okay, this time I will finish your entire course. Therefore, don't worry about IG2. The IG2 only your understanding purpose only, but the most of the some topics also covered in this IG2 also, only their practical purpose only this IG2. No need to read and by heart it, no need. Okay, only IG1 only by heart it and the prepare it. Okay, IG1 only the your understanding, your IG2 is only your understanding purpose, IG1 is the original exam. Okay, are you clear? Okay, now also I'm explain about this the practical also. Please read once again these documents. Okay, and I will once again I will explain you about this IG2. Okay, anybody have any doubt? Please, the mic just you are on. Your mic is on. Okay, unmute your mic and also you ask questions. Okay, or if you don't have questions, no need. I will share my the screen also. Hello, audible my voice or not? Please, because I get this type of the symbol. What happened this one? Okay, anybody is coming maybe outside, maybe something. Okay, right. Okay, okay, right. Here the I will share my screen. Stop share. Okay. Already yesterday I explained about the IG2 example. Okay, because this is the sample format I explained yesterday. Because this one is the risk assessment. Okay, the total IG2 is the this is the risk assessment is the name. Okay, the IG2 is the exam. Okay, the total is the four parts. One is the background. The second one is the risk assessment. Okay, the second one is the risk assessment. This is the risk assessment, and the third one is the priorities, and also the third one is the priorities. The priorities, three actions and the justification for the selection, and final one is the review. This is the review, the final one. Okay, the review and check and communicate finally. These are the four parts, very important one. In this, maybe you are enrolled means, then you get the learner number. Okay, and also I send you the lot of the documents and also my student, my students, some the documents also, the previous documents also, and you verify the documents and also learner number and also learner's name and everything. And also this is the just only the learner pointer to this is one organization is international general the garage limited, but which location you visit your site, maybe that location you are mentioned compulsory. And also the IGC limited something, what is the size of garage with offices, vehicles, repair shops, this everything is mentioned. And also the priorities, these are the risk assessment, this is very important. This is hazards are considered here because I've explained in the IG2 location what the types of the hazards are there. This is work equipment type of the hazard. Different types of the hazards are there. This is electricity type of the hazard. This is the hazard category. This is the hazard. Okay, and also the next one. This is the hazardous the substances. This is the hazard category. This is the hazard is the motor oil and fuel is the one of the hazard. The safe movement of people and vehicle. This is also one of the hazard category. These are the hazard category. From this hazard category, you do the work or some preparation of the document. This is a noise is the one of the hazard category you take because the IGTO location. I will explain this all things. Okay, working at height location also, slips and trips also one of the hazard categories, right? The working at height and these all. Okay, and next one is the just 1 second. I got one. Um, okay, sorry, just I got one message. That's why. Yeah. Okay, here these are the different the risk assessment point of view. And finally, this is the priorities. Only three. The you are mentioned the many hazards category. Just only you mentioned only three priority three actions and justification for the selection. In this compulsory mentioned the costs associated with, and also the this one also compulsory mentioned the likelihood and severity, and also controlling the risk also you are mentioned here. These are the compulsory the mandatory things. Okay. Please, just 1 second. One, I have getting one call because from the institute. Okay, just please 1 second. Then. Okay, sorry once again. Okay, here this one is the IG2 example, and also the before you are sending, you check the this one checklist also very important checklist. But checklist only I'm only the verified, no problem. Don't worry about no need to you the consider it. But you get these are the things are compulsory mandatory. That's why that purpose are the checklist are important. What the checklist means IG2 point of view, part one. What is here? Maybe the discussing here, the mention. The discussion includes the name of the organization, the site location, number of workers employed. The general description includes products, the manufactured services offered, types of activities, shift patterns. These are compulsory mentioned in the particular your document. Okay, and a description of the area to be included in the risk assessment also mentioned, and also the methods the following, and also maybe the sources of information, who was consulted, and how you decided on the additional control measures. These are the part one. And also part two, this is the risk assessment. Minimum 10 hazards are considered here. 10 hazards. In this 10 hazards, the identified hazards are taken from the at least 5 hazard categories. Hazard categories I will the explain in IG2. Hazard categories are the one is the noise, one is the electrical, one is the substances. Okay, these are the hazard categories. In these hazard categories, the only electrical only maybe you are take two or three, no problem. Electrical means maybe room number 10, the socket is problem. And the second one maybe same electrical the hazard category. The maybe the fan is problem. This like you are mentioning, no problem. Okay, the minimum 10 hazards from at least 5 hazard categories. Each column of the risk assessment table has been completed for each of the identified hazards, and also the part 3 priorities of 3 actions with justification for the selection. Only 3 actions you are selecting, and then just the justify means moral, legal, and financial arguments. Okay, the moral values are legal, and also how much finance maybe your purchase this one items maybe the everything mentioned, and also likelihood means chances, severity, nothing but seriousness that consider for each action also. How much, for example, dust. Okay, how much maybe the dust, the chances are there, and also maybe seriousness. Okay, dust is this type we are mentioning it, and the description how effective the action will be in controlling the risk for each action. Okay, the control, for example, dust, how they will control, maybe by using the we bought this one the vacuum cleaner automatically clean that I the particular floor means automatically solve the problem. This like a review and communicate and check realistic review date given, reason for review date given, and also indicate how the risk assessment the findings will be communicated. Mean who the finally receive this risk assessment, maybe the owner of the company or manager or finance manager, they mention it, indicated who the risk assessment findings will be communicated to finally reach. Okay, if not, for example, for example, some location not taken any action, then how they will complain, the final complaint. Okay, these are the mentioned in this IG2. Okay, I will check it, don't worry, no problem. Only IG2 point of view, just you prepare your documents. Okay, only you prepare your documents by after your document preparation you send me, then I will check it, and also any shortfalls I will once again I will send back to you. If everything is correct means no problem. Okay, and I give them maybe some suggestions. After that you send it to the Nebosh team. Okay, therefore don't worry about IG2 only document is preparation enough. Just only visit any site just 2 hours or 1 hour, just enough. Okay, this is only the one requirement, but nothing is need. This you prepare, maybe you practice this 5 to 10 times. So each the document you read it, you get the full knowledge. I send different old documents also. You check these documents to get the full information. Okay, and the IG, the 2, in this IG2, this IG2, I will share my screen. This is the IG2. Here in this IG2, IG2 new. Yes, this one. This is 1 and 2. Only the 40 slides are there. Maybe in between I will finish it. This one. Okay. This is the 63, 82 slides are there here in this one. This is 34 slides are there. This one. Just 34 slides are there here, and 1 and 2, element 1 and 2, 34 slides. Just you finish it. Okay. And maybe in between I complete this 1 and 2 maybe, and also remaining also I complete maybe the in between, maybe the 3 or 4 elements in between the weekdays, and also the Friday I will finish this entire maybe the course. If you have maybe pending means, I will remaining thing also maybe next day Saturday also I finish this event. Okay, if you have anybody have any doubt, please the unmute your mic, and if you ask me, because mother sir is want this Zoom ID. Okay, voice is not clear. Huh? Okay, 6:59. Okay, if okay, okay, don't worry. Next maybe in between I will inform you. Next one day we have the class. Okay, and if you have anybody not the follow this one, I will send you the video link also. You once again you just only just refer this video link. Okay, thank you.